Hi everyone. Gee, it's chilly outside, isn't it? Don't fear because we're going to make a beautiful winter warmer, a couple of them actually. I'm Ragini Dey and let's start cooking. So the first dish I'm going to make is a chicken chickpea coconut curry. I'm going to do this in 2 minutes. Now how I can do that in 2 minutes is, first of all, of course, we've got some beautiful sunflower oil, just a little dash, and then we have our wonderful spice mix. This has got all our onion, ginger, garlic, everything in there. Ready for the chicken, thigh fillet, skinless, boneless, all going in. We're going to add a little bit of salt in there, do it to your taste. It's ready to go in as well. These are cooked so nice and spotty, nice and soft. Just sauteing the chicken with the chickpeas and the spice blend. So going to put in a little bit of tomato paste. You could use fresh tomatoes. So now we're doing a pumpkin with 5 spices. So again, a little dribble. Then we have pumpkin peeled and chopped here. It doesn't matter how you chop it because it's going to get sort of roughly mashed or smashed. This is the simplest pumpkin recipe you'll ever make because we've heated the oil, added the pumpkin, and now we're just going to add just maybe half a tablespoon of our bingo spice. So as soon as the pumpkin is soft, just give it a little bit of a smash. So the chicken and the chickpea coconut curry is ready. How long did that take? Nothing at all because the prep time is 0 with our beautiful spice blends. And now I'm just going to put a little bit, a few sprigs or leaves of curry. Let's serve up. So we have some yellow rice that everyone loves, and that's also actually cooked with our korma mix. And we're going to put in a little spoonful, maybe a bigger spoon. So we're going to finish this off with our pumpkin 5 spice we did earlier with our bingo spice and pumpkin. And now also more curry leaves. Nothing like as much curry leaves as you like because they're so beautifully fragrant. And we're ready to eat.